somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is thrown all wide.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Appearance of Clean. My name is Kelly. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and getting some things done around your house. In this video today, I'm just starting off with some laundry, just doing some folding and putting away, and then I'm going to get busy cleaning my master bath. So I hope this video motivates you to clean your master bathroom or whatever room in your house you feel needs it the most. For me right now, it's the master bath. So stay safe everybody. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing and hitting that like button. I'd love to show you some more videos of cleaning and organizing. Thank you so much, everybody. Stay safe.
We'll find a new place. We'll cross the border. Can't stay no longer in this town. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink when everyone is too fake. Your hope eventually sinks, 'cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. Whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you.
I'm wearing an apron today that my sister-in-law made me, and I absolutely love it. It definitely keeps me from ruining all my clothes when I'm cleaning with bleach. She makes all kinds of aprons. She makes little tie-around aprons, around-the-neck aprons, seasonal aprons, holiday aprons, and you can check those all out on her Etsy shop called Charlotte's Collection.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring, I'm throwing up my gloves and knees. My back against the ropes, I got nowhere to go. I'm looking down the slope, I gotta strike a blow. 'Cause practice makes perfect, you know. This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take next, all I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches. take next. All I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches. Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. 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 I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, you know. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep.
Alright everybody, I am finally done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe and like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your week, everybody. Bye-bye.